Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the military grid reference system. This guide will help you understand its fundamental principles. MGRS is a crucial coordinate system used for precise location identification across the globe. It breaks down the Earth's surface into manageable, identifiable grid squares. We will explore how this system ensures everyone can pinpoint locations with accuracy, making communication and navigation much clearer. Understanding MGRS begins with its three core components. First, the grid zone designator tells you the broad area, like 16 Tango. Next, the 100,000 meter square identifier, such as G, narrows it down to a specific large square. Finally, the numerical location gives you the exact easting and northing within that square, providing the fine-tuned precision needed for accurate navigation. Reading an MGRS coordinate is straightforward once you know the steps. Begin by finding the grid zone designator, then locate the 100,000 meter square. Remember the golden rule: read right and then up. First, read the numbers along the bottom of the grid, moving right. Then, read the numbers up the side of the grid. This method ensures you accurately pinpoint your desired location. The beauty of MGRS lies in its scalable precision. A 4-digit numerical location gives you a general 100 meter square. For more detail, an 8-digit number narrows it down to a 10 meter square. And for pinpoint accuracy, a 10-digit number identifies a precise 1 meter square. This adaptability makes MGRS indispensable for everything from military planning to detailed land navigation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.